Hello ladies and gents, and welcome to another fabulous week of our English 410 class. I'm going to keep this video a little shorter today because I managed to dislocate my jaw over the weekend and it hurts a little bit to talk. I also have kids with the flu this weekend, so they're throwing up in the bathroom. It's a good day. Happy Monday! So we'll go ahead and talk about what we're doing this week on our last day of February. Can you believe how fast that month went? That's just crazy. So this week we are working on our Excel graphing exercises, just like so many of our other projects in this class. You are going to be utilizing those Excel graphing skills in your final MIR document. So this is a safe place to practice with some of the data you've received either from your original case study responses, that kind of thing. Because then you can use those visual representations of data in your MIR document. In fact, it's part of the required stuff you got to put in there. So it's great. We're pulling all those pieces together now. If you look ahead to the MIR, you will be just so pleasantly surprised at how you've created each piece of the document. So by the time we get to that big final project, you're going to have done like 80-90% of the work throughout the quarter. So congratulations, way to be awesome. You guys are rocking it. So that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be working on that Excel graphing exercise. And then we are also going to be working on the original survey assignment. This is another way to collect data. So you had those 4 questions on your case study. Those are helpful data points. This survey assignment is also helpful data points. So you are going to create a 10 to 20 question survey that's going to elicit numerical information and written feedback that you can then use in your MIR. The survey should be on a topic that makes sense for your MIR subject. Ignore the children yelling in the background. Apologies. So your survey should address questions of who, what, where, when, and why you're doing your topic and what kind of things might be helpful as you think about your report and the data points you might need to fill out an effective report. So you want to have a couple different types of survey questions. And I've got some examples for you here. There's easy yes/no questions. There's multiple choice. There's a standard rating with excellent, good, fair, and poor. There's a Likert scale, which is kind of like the gold standard of academic surveys, at least, where you rate something along a scale of strongly agree or strongly disagree, or boring and interesting, useful, unreliable, those kind of things. So semantic differences, rank ordering, put a number next to the one that you prefer most, and so on. Short answer questions, what do you think most likely is the cause of this cracked cylinder head? Whatever makes sense with your topic. After you have your survey, you're going to upload it, and I'm going to distribute those, and you are going to get responses from your classmates. Once you get those, you can aggregate the data, think about how you might use it, and then it will be a great thing to be able to include in your writing. So exciting things coming there with our original survey assignment. And that's kind of what we're working on this week, guys, because if you take a look ahead, we are getting very close to the end of the quarter, which is amazing. It's gone fast, I think, because we are working on our survey and our Excel graphing. You're going to be getting your feedback once you guys turn in those surveys. I'm going to send them out to you. You'll get your feedback here. And then you're just going to be working on your MIR for the next 2 weeks. You turn that in on the 18th, and ta-da, you're done. Hooray. And then it's finals week, and we don't actually have a final in this class. So you're welcome, unless you're really sad about that, in which case, I'm sorry. But I feel like the management investigative report does a good job of demonstrating your mastery of the course content without having to do a multiple choice style final. So I think this will be a great representation of what you've learned, all of the effort you've made throughout the quarter. I'm really excited to see how it comes together. So this week is kind of the last week of smaller exercises, and then you're going to be compiling and perfecting and editing the MIR for the following 2 weeks, and then we're done. Then it's finals week. Crazy. So I hope you guys have a great week. Please reach out with any questions. I'm here to help.